Okay, everyone, it's official. Sunset? Yeah, you made Woody your man? Is that what happened? Yeah, you decided he's gonna be yours because we can see. Oh, there he is, sitting on your nest. I guess that makes him official. Congratulations, Woody. You're gonna be a daddy. I don't think you all had sex or anything like that, but that egg may have been there before you got here, Woody. What do you think there, Sunset, I'm sorry. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Yeah, he's your man now. It's official. You let him move into the house. Look at that, sitting on your eggs.